Hi, y'all, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm about to do another childhood favorite. You guys remember those days when you had 25 cents or 50 cents and you were able to go to the candy lady at the corner in the middle of the block and and get those frozen treats in the little cup, those little juice that they would freeze. It was all colored. Well, in New Orleans, we call those things frozen cups. Some people call it cold cups, and some people call it huckabucks. But that's how we call it in New Orleans. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the ice cream flavored ones. So the recipe calls for this Cairo corn syrup, this can of condensed milk, some vanilla extract, and some regular milk. That is all this recipe calls for, you guys. We're going to put all this in a bowl. We're going to mix this all up real good. We're going to taste it. If you want to add sugar, you can. I choose not to because it's already a sweet, sweet, sweet dessert. So I don't want to make it even sweeter than it has to be. But that is what I do. I mix this all up really good, and then I add it into my cups. You want to actually pour the cup and to the liquid all the way to the top. But I ain't had that much milk, you guys. And you guys, I use almond milk, and it still froze really well. So the next day, I just poured it out, and I'm going to show you guys how I enjoyed my frozen cup. Thank y'all for getting munched out with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have a video or something that you want to learn how to cook, no matter how simple or non-simple you think it might be, to ask me, ask. And a girl gotcha.